The bar down there, that's it.
We're running.
We're running.
Yeah, that's alright, yeah, okay, fine.
Right, Nigel, you ready, mate?
Yeah.
So, I'm just going to put one of these rivets, bang in the dragon's eye, just lean up a little bit, mate, that's perfect. Right, just feel a bit of a bee sting, mate, that's all. Ready?
Yeah.
Can you
So have I got to go round or what?
come over the top of me then, if you can?
No, she's coming here.
Okay. Alright, mate?
Yeah.
Too bad, eh? So just give it a little wiggle and it should pull. Core of skin out. There we go. Just got rid of that.
Black,
So,
usually flames, oranges, red, you know, the dark red. And then the
alright, mate?
Yeah.
wisps of
Just going to
black
feel a
and
little
red
bit of a
to,
pop as it goes in, hopefully.
yeah, it's coming down to early. I'm thinking out which way you want to take it. Be careful. Well, that's just a you know, a rough idea. I mean, I'm not letting you come under the snakes in the side.
Simple. Simple as that.
Yeah.
Just a little bit of pressure.
That'll go into your
Drop
black.
it.
Yeah. Yeah.